Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Catslap token. Now, this is kind of like a Doge Bonk, but the cat version. And this cat is like slapping Pepe in the face here. This is a Ethereum Memecoin. Looks like they had a they have a pre-sale going on their webpage, but then it also looks like they have a Uniswap pool. This token's already listed here on Etherscan, CoinGecko, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. But then on their webpage too, you can like connect your wallet and buy the token right off the webpage with ETH, with USDT, or with a card. And basically it says here, buy and stake SLAP tokens before the major announcement, and it has a countdown. So it kind of looks like a pre-sale with price increases, but it's like a countdown to an announcement instead. So it's a little different, but they have like a one-pager. They have a buy button on their page. They have a full audit, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Twitter, Telegram, staking, how to buy, frequently asked questions, tokenomics. This looks like a big project, and they've been doing marketing on Dex Screener. That's where I saw this project pop up here with a marketing boost banner. And yeah, so we're gonna go over the Catslap token on ETH and talk about the info on it and how you can get it. We're gonna do all that in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. That cat looks mad as heck, ready to bonk somebody, slap their face off here. And they have the contract address you can see right on this Twitter right here at Catslap token. So an easy way to get this token, it is available on Uniswap, because I checked on Dex Screener and Dex Tools, and it does say there is a pool. So it does, how much is the pool here? The pool is actually $2.5 million in Uniswap, and it says 98.99% of that total liquidity is locked, and it has a UNCX link. And they have a market cap right now of $36.6 million. And even today, just today, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $1.1 million, and this token is up 106%. They're trending number 19 right now on Dex Screener in the Ethereum section, and they're trending number 4 on Dex Tools in the Ethereum section. So very popular project today. But yeah, if you wanted to get this token here, it's real easy with the contract address right there. So you could basically just download like a Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet or Coinbase wallet. You'd fund your wallet with ETH, and you could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. And then you would go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using that contract address, you would trade your ETH for this token. And I haven't seen anything yet about taxes on here. Just scrolling through their tokenomics section. Doesn't say anything about taxes, so I'm not sure if you have to set slippage or not. There will be some gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap, so just be aware of that. And on their webpage, you could just connect your wallet to the page. If you go to catslaptoken.com, and you can buy the token that way, as I mentioned earlier as well, even with USDT or a card. So there's a couple different ways to get the token. And it says here, 50% of the tokens go to liquidity, 20% to staking rewards, 10% to community rewards, 10% development fund, 10% team vested over 10 years, Ticker symbol SLAP, name of the token Catslap, all one word, and total supply is 9 billion tokens. So they also have a full solid proof audit. We're going to go over that in a second here. But it says Catslap is crypto's most aggressive feline, poised to attack even the highest market cap meme coins. SLAP token is here to dethrone the frogs and the dogs on the block, buy SLAP tokens, and compete in an addictive and hilarious slapping game to earn the highest scores and increase your country's ranking in the Slapometer. This is the ultimate meme coin for stupid fun and friendly competition. Unleash the power of the click and slap revolution and make your country the biggest slappers in crypto. They have the tiniest print here on their white paper. So it says how it works. Click to slap, visit the Catslap website and get slapping. Number 2, earn points. Each slap earns the Slapometer points for your country. Number 3, compete globally. Your slaps contribute points to the Slapometer, ranking countries and locations in a global slap-off. So join the frenzy. The more you slap, the more you win, both for personal satisfaction and for national pride of your fellow slappers. Now, they have a roadmap here, starting with Stage 1, project development, token deployment, token audits, Slapometer activation, SLAP decentralized exchange launch, launch social marketing, then stage 2, initiate paid marketing, 1,000 SLAP holders, SLAP staking launch, Slapometer competitions, reach $50 million market cap, collaborative partnerships. Stage 3, slap up the meme competition, central exchange listings, reach $100 million market cap, dethrone PopCat, and then Binance next, ? So, basically they have a solid proof audit on here that does go over a few things here. It says, contract owner cannot mint new tokens, contract owner cannot blacklist addresses, cannot set high selfies, cannot be locked, cannot be burned, ownership is renounced. There is one informational issue, so just be aware of that there. And then they have a score here from TrustNet, and they only got 60.3, it says here. So there is some issues on their audit, so just be aware of that. Now they have different audits too on Dex Screener and Dex Tools. Their Quick Intel security audit has no issues on it. Go Plus security has no issues on it, and it does say buy and sell tax is 0%, so you don't have to worry about slippage, so that's good. There will be gas fees though, like I mentioned earlier. And they also have here another quick audit that has one alert on it, and this is on Dex Tools, so they have audits by honeypot.is, Quick Intel Security, and Go Plus Security. So if we just scroll through that there, again, buy and sell tax 0%. Just, there's basically no issues except Quick Intel Security says other risks, and that could be that informational issue. But yeah, go check it out. You can follow their Telegram at catslap_token. They have the Twitter up right here with the contract address. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.